So Wike and Peter Obi are currently bantering each other on social media. Not that Obi is bantering, but Obi went to one of the schools in FCT and discovered that the school has been abandoned by the federal government. And Obi came on social media to say that why is the federal government abandoning, government schools, that it is not fair. And because that school happens to be in FCT, now so Wike provoked. Wike said that no, why will you do this? That when you were a governor, what did you do? In fact, let's listen to Wike, or will I say, let me explain.
Some people, because of politics. For example, I hear one of the social media presidential candidates went to one of the local authority area schools. I was saying that government has abandoned public schools. In particular, his name is Mr. Peter Obi. It is not everything you must play politics. But let me say this. Peter Obi, you were governor for 8 years in Anambra State. If you have finished all the jobs in 8 years, nobody will be talking about developing Anambra by now. 8 years. Instead of developing Anambra, you took the money and put in the bank you have interest, Fidelity Bank.
So that is Wike. That is what Wike said about Peter Obi. Now, this is what Wike said in 2022 when he was still governor of Rivers State. Listen to him.
We have worked, and we have worked. One reason I also brought it, I know you worked very well in Anambra. Forget to see, village where you come from. Bagbele envy. This is how it works. Even me here, there are those in Abuja fighting me, Bagbele. Do you understand what I'm saying? So, some people, because of the level you are now, they envy you in your state. They can come out and say all kind of rubbish. Don't worry, that's how it is. It is your wrong person that will kill you first. Did you understand me? So don't bother about those things. I've always told people, when you are given an opportunity to serve, use it and showcase what you can do. Stop criticizing somebody who has already left. You have been given the opportunity now. Show it. I'm a professor.
Okay, wait. Let us hear Wike and Peter Obi when Peter Obi was the governor of Anambra State.
So Bishop Uzori Memorial School, Newi, saying that this will help in better education of the people to the glory of God.
Amen.
Now, the question here is that what changed? Anyway, I will say politics happens. They say respect who gets, but fear could never collect. That is the story of Wike. Wike never gets that time. That's why they respect to be that time. But now, Wike does collect. The FCT minister, former governor of Rivers State, anticipated to be Nigerian president maybe one day. We might not know because, of course, many people are alleging that Wike one day want to contest to be the president of Nigeria. Maybe.